Hello guys, welcome back to FM Inventions, where today we are gonna be making a video of how to make a water heater. So let's get started. Take a wire as much you like and then cut out 2 centimeters of the outer covering of the insulator. We're gonna be taking out the silver wire from this wire. Now take a blade, not one but two of them and others beside, and wind up with them. We're gonna wind up like that and then twist this wire with the green one. After making it should some kind of look like this. Do the same with the other one. Alright, we have done with it. Take a wooden stake and fit in this circle space. It should some kind of look like this. Do the same with the other. Alright, it's as just it should be. Why we are adding a stick here? Because these two guys, if they touch each other, there can be an explosion. And actually friends, when we are using it each time, it's getting a bit rusty and sometimes it's getting mad and sometimes it's getting like that. So it's better if you add some super glue or some clay, so which dry instantly. So there's some kind of thing. See, it's totally insane. It doesn't stand at a place. Should be always like that. I have some blades which are not actually in order. You see these blades? See how rusty they have been. One of it has got broken. Here is it. See, it becomes totally rusty. When not in use, it's like this shiny new. So I think we should need a low amount of electricity because this metal is getting burned. So low amount of electricity may not let the metal burn. So let's continue with our creation. Now we need to take a plug and connect to both of these. Now here are some parts of it. Gotcha. Here are some parts here. We are gonna join each one here and one to that, like that. And then we're gonna close the circuit, but not now. We're gonna take a cap and make a hole in the center, and then we're gonna take that wire and gonna take it up. Then we're gonna add a glue there. You know why? Because we're gonna fit that thing into this jar. So let's do it. There's a hole. Now we're gonna fit this wire inside it. When fit it in a jar, it's some kind of look like this. It should be always like that, and those terminals should never be fixed with each other. Can cause a very big harm to your home, may cause even fires at your home. So I don't really consider, and I don't really consider small children to be making this stuff like this, because for making this stuff and while using it mainly this stuff needs adult supervision. So I don't really consider small children to be making this. I mean small adults should be there. So now basically we have to take this thing, and now as just I said, now we have to connect these wires to each green here and the yellow one here. and then close this and tighten this up. If when you are connecting the wire, this you can see these two both nuts, these both should never be you see these two, see this, they should never be like that, or else they can cause explosion. They may blow your home. Boom. So be careful. Perfect. It's now ready. Now only fact is left that we have to connect to the socket. But before doing that, there should be hole, because when this thing is on, it will release some gases, which is water vapor. So sometimes create pressure, so your jar may explode due to extreme pressure. So make a hole here. Now friends, you see a hole here which I made with my scissors, and then you can take a straw like this and you should fit that in here and should be like that. So it could look nice, but we are not gonna take the whole straw, we're gonna cut some of it. So let's do it. Alright, the straw we have glued it up. Okay, when you're opening this guy, you should you should hold the cap and then twist the lower part. If you are twisting on this, it would be foolishness, and you have to, and it will be a very hard thing. So you just simply hold this cap and twist the lower part, not the upper one. Alright, it's time to fill this thing with water. Take a glass and fill this glass with tap water, and now start to fill this thing. Okay, some of it has fallen anyway, ignore this. So basically it's only less, I think one more glass is needed. Okay, here we go, one more glass, and it is now filled. What's that? Oh, those are particles man, fell when I was making hole. Anyway, now let's close this thing. That thing is dipped. Don't worry if the terminals are dipping, we just don't want them to mix with each other. They should be, and the stick should be insulated. Okay, so it's time to connect with the power circuit. See the reaction. Just wait. And here we go. You can see some molecules, some gas. Alright, see how great this is. Doesn't this look nice? Now see, you can see some vapors forming here. Oh, I feel the heat. Anyway, this is taking a lot of time to heat. No, the water's hot. Oh, wow. See, you can see the vapors forming. Do you see bubbles? Of course. Isn't this nice? Okay, now we'll close this off. Wait for some time. oh god, this is so hot. Wow, what has a bit changed anyway. Nice, hot. You can feel the vapors forming. See. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Oh, before you go, see this, how rusty is gone. But no worries. Actually, this thing was, that's a fact. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.